Hey everybody, Wyatt with Homebrew the Partial Mash Way. Just gonna do a really quick video. You know, this video is gonna be a tasting of the Fast Homebrew Pale Ale that I did using Fast Homebrew's recipe for Pale Ale. As you can see, very clear, great color. Head retention is good. I poured this, I don't know, at least a minute ago or so. Let's give it a smell. Very malty. I'm not really picking up too much on the hops, but I think with the way that it tastes and with the way it smells, I think that's kind of the fact. That's more stems from me making his recipe my way, the partial mash way, using extract, so the hop utilization wasn't as good. Because I gotta say, as good as it is, it doesn't have that bitter, it doesn't have that real good bitter that you would normally attribute to a pale ale. I mean, it's good, it's very tasty. I think that if I do make it again someday, if I make it again the partial mash way, I will probably end up increasing the amount of hops. I mean, it's light, it's crisp, it's got a good flavor, but again, it's more of a malt characteristic than a hop characteristic, which is what you normally attribute to a pale ale. But it's definitely a good beer. I mean, I'm enjoying it. This isn't my first one. I've had well, more than several. But yeah, the way it turned out for me, and I'm gonna say again, I'm gonna attribute that to using extract instead of doing all grain. That the malt came forward more than the hops. But other than that, it's a great beer. I'm really digging it. The gravity is pretty low. I can't remember what the final alcohol came out. I think the final alcohol was less than 4%, if memory serves. But other than that, I mean, it's a good beer. I definitely like it. So yeah, that's really all I got, and we'll see you guys next brew. Bye.